Hello everyone, this is the Legend 27. Today we will be talking about my new channel. It's gonna be a separate channel, so don't worry, I'll still be making vids on here, but it's called Splish Splash. Splish Splash is a channel about making music videos about bars. And what I mean by bars is like actual rhyming bars, and it will be directed toward people because that is what it is about. And so the channel is called Splish Splash. Everything should be lowercase, and it is spelled SPLISH. There are no spaces in this channel, and so that will be concluding my new channel. And so it's gonna be an amazing channel. I can't wait, because our first video will be forming the new song, and it will be epic. So thank you gamers, bye bye.
Flex fans are the best fans in the whole wide world. Flex on.